This video will guide you through connecting your Gmail account to Apollo.io, a leading sales intelligence platform. Apollo.io is a leading sales intelligence platform that helps sales teams find prospects, track interactions, and close deals. We'll focus on using IMAP and SMTP for seamless email syncing and sending. This integration allows bidirectional communication between your Gmail account and Apollo.io. This integration allows you to track emails, automate follow-ups, and personalize outreach directly from Apollo, while ensuring your Gmail account stays synchronized. IMAP, or Internet Message Access Protocol, is used to retrieve incoming emails from your Gmail account into Apollo.io. It pulls emails in real time, allowing for prospect tracking and CRM enrichment without storing emails on Apollo's servers. The typical settings are server imap.gmail.com on port 993 with SSL enabled. SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, handles sending outbound emails from Apollo. When you send an email through Apollo, it uses SMTP to deliver it, and the email appears in your Gmail sent folder. Settings include server smtp.gmail.com on port 587 with TLS enabled. Together, IMAP and SMTP enable bidirectional email synchronization between Gmail and Apollo.io. Incoming emails flow into Apollo via IMAP, while outgoing emails sent from Apollo appear in Gmail's sent folder via SMTP, ensuring seamless integration. In Apollo.io, these protocols provide secure, real-time access to your Gmail emails, enhancing sales intelligence without storing data on Apollo's servers. First, enable IMAP in your Gmail settings. Go to Gmail and select See All Settings. Then choose the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab to access IMAP settings. On the IMAP settings page, make sure IMAP access is enabled. Finally, set the option when messages are accessed with IMAP to keep Gmail's copy in the inbox. This ensures Apollo.io can access your emails, but they stay safe and secure in your Gmail account. Due to enhanced security regulations, Apollo now requires OAuth 2.0 authentication. Forget about older app passwords. Authorize Apollo.io via Google's OAuth flow within Apollo's integrations or settings page. This generates a secure token, granting Apollo access without exposing your Gmail password. This is much safer for you and your data. To configure IMAP and SMTP details in Apollo.io, first navigate to your email settings. From the Apollo dashboard, access the Settings menu to begin the configuration process. In the Email Settings panel, input your Gmail IMAP details. The server address is imap.gmail.com, use port 993, and ensure SSL encryption is enabled for secure connection. Next, configure the SMTP settings for sending emails. Use smtp.gmail.com as the server, port 587, and enable TLS encryption to secure outbound mail. After entering the details, test the connection to ensure Apollo can properly connect to your Gmail account. This verification step confirms the settings are correct. Once configured and tested, Apollo can now send emails through your Gmail account, enabling seamless integration for your outreach efforts. Once connected, you can compose and send emails directly from Apollo's interface. These emails will be synced back to your Gmail's sent folder, ensuring a consistent view of your communications. Apollo supports real-time email tracking, allowing you to monitor opens, clicks, and other engagement metrics as they happen. Apollo also offers automated follow-ups with AI-driven suggestions, making your outreach more efficient by personalizing communications and reducing manual work. If you encounter connection issues when linking Gmail to Apollo.io, start by checking your Gmail security settings. Look for any firewall blocks that might prevent the connection, or verify that your two-factor authentication is properly configured. Make sure IMAP is enabled in your Gmail settings. This is a common requirement for email syncing with Apollo.io. Access your Gmail settings and verify that IMAP access is turned on. Ensure that Apollo.io has the necessary read and write permissions to access your Gmail account. In Apollo's settings, verify that the integration has full access to your emails and contacts. If you're still having issues, double-check that you've entered the correct port numbers for IMAP and SMTP connections. IMAP uses port 993, while SMTP uses port 587. Also, ensure your two-factor authentication code is entered correctly. For any persistent connection problems that you can't resolve, consult Apollo's support dashboard. They provide specific troubleshooting steps and can help resolve complex integration issues. Looking ahead, Apollo.io is incorporating more AI-driven features like personalized email suggestions and predictive analytics. These tools use machine learning to enhance outreach, reducing manual effort by up to 40%, according to user reports. Hybrid integrations are also rising, combining traditional IMAP and SMTP with API-based syncing for faster performance, especially in enterprise environments. Keep an eye out for potential shifts towards GraphQL-based APIs, which prioritize privacy and enhanced functionality. Apollo's roadmap suggests full API deprecation of IMAP SMTP by 2027, with multi-channel integrations combining email with platforms like LinkedIn or Slack expected to grow. Consider turning on the Smart Compose feature in Apollo for AI-driven outreach to take advantage of these advancements.